explore the neural circuits of the zebrafish brain, and learn how researchers use this model organism to study neurological disorders like Parkinson's and autism. Zebrafish have a brain structure similar to humans, with a forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The zebrafish brain develops rapidly, with most neurons formed within the first 24 hours after fertilization. Researchers use zebrafish to study neurological disorders like Parkinson's and autism due to their genetic similarity to humans. Zebrafish are transparent, allowing scientists to visualize and track brain development in real time. Dr. Heribert W. Steinberg and other scientists use zebrafish to study brain development and behavior, gaining insights into human brain function. Relive the incredible story of AS Monaco's François Modesto, who played as a goalkeeper in a 1982 European Cup match against Anderlecht, saving 2 penalties in a 0-0 draw. In 1982, AS Monaco's François Modesto took a surprising role in a European Cup match. Modesto, an outfield player, filled in as goalkeeper due to a goalkeeper injury crisis. The match against Anderlecht ended in a 0-0 draw, a respectable result for Monaco. Modesto made 2 crucial saves, stopping 2 penalties from Anderlecht players during the match. His impressive performance helped Monaco advance to the next round on away goals. Modesto's heroic display remains one of the most unusual and memorable moments in football history. Relive the infamous 1976 wine tasting competition where French and American wines were judged blind, and the surprising results that shook the wine world. In 1976, a blind wine tasting competition was held at the Intercontinental Hotel in Paris, France. 11 judges, all French wine experts, tasted and ranked 10 Chardonnays and 10 Cabernet Sauvignon. The judges were not told the origin of the wines, and American wines were included alongside French ones. In a shocking upset, California's Chateau Montelena Chardonnay was declared the best white wine. Stag's Leap Wine Cellars Cabernet Sauvignon from Napa Valley won the red wine category. The Judgment of Paris marked a turning point in the wine industry, establishing California as a major wine region. Witness the historic moment when Jesse Owens won 4 gold medals at the 1936 Berlin Olympics, shattering Adolf Hitler's Aryan supremacy myth and becoming an American hero. Jesse Owens won 4 gold medals at the 1936 Berlin Olympics, a historic achievement. Owens' victories came in the 100 meters, 200 meters, 4x100m relay, and long jump events. Adolf Hitler's Nazi regime promoted Aryan supremacy, making Owens' wins a significant ideological defeat. Owens' performance shattered Hitler's myth of racial superiority, inspiring millions worldwide. Owens' 4 gold medals were a record-tying achievement at the 1936 Olympics. Jesse Owens' heroics in Berlin cemented his status as an American sports icon and legend. Remember the 2008 Beijing Olympics, when American gymnast Nastia Liukin was robbed of a perfect score on the balance beam? At the 2008 Beijing Olympics, Nastia Liukin performed a flawless balance beam routine, or so it seemed. Liukin's score was docked 0.5 points due to a supposed mistake, dropping her from first to second place. The judges claimed Liukin took an extra step on her dismount, but replays showed she didn't. The mistake cost Liukin the gold medal, with China's Shawn Johnson taking the top spot instead. The controversy sparked outrage among fans and fellow gymnasts, who felt Liukin was robbed of her rightful title. The incident led to changes in the judging system to prevent similar mistakes from happening in the future. Join me on a summer evening adventure to capture the magical light shows of Photinus pyralis fireflies, which use their glow to attract mates and defend territories. Fireflies, like Photinus pyralis, have a unique light-producing organ in their abdomens. This species uses a specific flash pattern to communicate with potential mates. Males fly around and flash to attract females, while females respond with their own flash. Fireflies can control the amount of oxygen in their light-producing cells to adjust brightness. Some fireflies can synchronize their flashes to create a dazzling display. Fireflies use their glow to defend territories and warn off predators too. In 1872, a ship was found adrift with no signs of its crew on board. The Mary Celeste, a merchant ship, was discovered adrift in the Atlantic Ocean on the 5th of December 1872. The ship's crew of 7 was missing, with no signs of struggle, violence, or foul play on board. The Mary Celeste had set sail from New York to Genoa, Italy, just 10 days before its discovery. The ship's logbook and navigation equipment were found intact, with no indication of a distress signal being sent. The only clue to the crew's disappearance was a disarrayed life raft, with a boat hook lying nearby. Despite numerous investigations and theories, the mystery of the Mary Celeste's crew remains unsolved to this day. Is dietary fat the real culprit behind weight gain? Dietary fat is not the primary cause of weight gain, despite its high calorie density. Dr. Walter Vogelin's research in the 1920 seconds showed that a high-fat diet can actually aid in weight loss. The American Heart Association recommends a balanced diet with healthy fats, like avocado and nuts, for heart health. In fact, some fats, like omega-3 seconds, can even help increase feelings of fullness and reduce hunger. Consuming healthy fats can also improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. The real culprits behind weight gain are often excessive sugar and refined carbohydrate consumption. Analyze the psychology behind the anxiety of waiting for an Uber, including the impact of uncertainty and the role of real-time updates in reducing perceived wait time, and learn how Uber's design addresses these factors. Waiting for an Uber can trigger anxiety due to uncertainty about arrival times and driver location. The brain processes waiting as a threat, releasing stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Real-time updates from Uber reduce perceived wait time by providing a sense of control. Uber's live tracking feature helps manage expectations, making wait times feel shorter and more predictable. The app's estimated arrival times and driver location updates reduce anxiety by increasing transparency. Uncover the secrets of Nicoya, Costa Rica, one of the world's blue zones, where residents live longer and healthier lives, and learn about the importance of beans, corn, and squash in their diet. Nicoya, Costa Rica, is one of the world's 5 blue zones, areas with unusually high centenarian populations. The Nicoyan diet is rich in beans, corn, and squash, known as the 3 sisters of nutrition. Beans are a staple in Nicoya, providing protein, fiber, and essential minerals for a long, healthy life. The 3 sisters farming method allows for nutrient-rich soil, promoting sustainable agriculture and healthy eating. Nicoyans have a 10-fold higher rate of centenarians than the United States, with many living disease-free.